Hi guys, welcome to this video about the Sinwere tempered glass screen protector for the Xiaomi Mi 8 Lite. So that's a two-piece screen protector. It's quite cheap on Amazon. I think it's around $7. I will put down the link into the description so you can order it if you think it's a good thing. So I bought this phone recently, but it came with a case free in the box, but it didn't come with a screen protector, so I decided to buy one. So let's see what's in the box. So I had to cut it on the side, and this is what we get. We get a wet wipe and a dry wipe. Two times, because it's two piece of glass, and this is a dust absorber. Location sticker, don't know what that is. Maybe you'll find out what that is. The dust absorber, that's clear what it is. And do we get two piece? Yeah, we get two piece, and it says Xiaomi 8 Lite 9H full glue. So the thing is, this is the option with this black frame. There are other screen protectors without this black frame. I'm a little bit I curious, or a little bit afraid of that. As you can see, these small openings here, I think we have to work really precise. If we don't, so we will have problems with these sensors. But for me, it was still the best options with the best reviews, everything. So I decided for this thing with the black frame. So we'll see how this turns out. I will read the instructions and then go off. Keep going after that. So one thing about the Xiaomi Mi 8 Lite, it actually comes with Gorilla Glass Type 5, as far as I know, and I've been using it for a week now, and as you can see, there are no scratches, nothing. So it's really good quality, probably really the Gorilla Glass 5 as promised. So I've read the instructions now, and for me they haven't been really clear, and so I just go with the things I have, and I'm used to that. I've been applying several screen protectors now, and usually they work about the same, so I don't care about the instructions, which are really confusing. So especially this thing, I don't know what that is. It says, if we can focus on that, you can see it says location sticker, guide sticker. If you have any idea about that, would be really interesting to get your input or your feedback about that. You probably know more than I do. So I'll take one of the sets to clean it, first with the wet towel. So I'll do it real time so you can see how long this really takes. If you don't want to spend so much time, you can maybe fast forward a little bit. So I hope you can I can clean that as enough. So I'm using both sides. Okay, and now the drying towel. I think I don't know if it's anti-static. There was in the description something about anti-static towel, but I'm not sure if it's really this one. It was showing a little bit a different picture. Okay, and now I'm using the dust sticker. I'm going almost everywhere as far as possible. I will do a final check now. So I was looking from this side and it looked pretty clean, so I hope that's good enough. Otherwise, if it's really bad, I can remove that again. So usually that should work. So this is how it looks, and so I need a label now. Don't see how to remove. Yeah, I'm just pulling the edge down. It's a little bit strange. And I'm trying to align this here. That's a really tough thing. I'll add a little bit of additional light, maybe that helps. That's really not easy. It's everything really dark black. I see only black on black. So it's really hard to see something, and I push it down in the middle and hopefully it will spread out from there, as you can see. Hope you can see that. Now it's spreading out. I leave it do its job. So it stopped here on the left side. On the right side it's continuing. Maybe I'll help a little bit, especially on this side. On this side it has a little bit a hard time, and now I have even a bubble, which is definitely not a good thing. I never had a bubble with tempered glass. I remove it again. Yeah, it has a little bit a hard time to settle on the left side. I've never seen that I had to work so much with a tempered glass. I don't know if there was something already on the screen, but as far as I've checked, there was nothing on the screen before. So, but it really has a hard time to stick. So here you can see how it looks now. So there's really, the center part where it was sticking, but outside here, a lot of areas, it's absolutely not sticking at all. I don't know why. It's actually my first tempered glass screen where I'm having such amount of problems. I mean, this thing was really looking good. Look at this thing. Looks great, but yeah, looking good doesn't mean it's working good. So for me, this is a complete fail. I will remove it and send it back. So that's it for now. I mean, really disappointing, not working. If you have other experience, would be really good to get your feedback and talk about this. Maybe I made a big error, but I have been applying a lot of protection glasses, and every time it worked without problem. I don't know why it's not working. So yeah. Anyway, I still hope I was able to help you a little bit with this video, and if only it's in a negative way to buy something which is not working. So hope I was able to help you a little bit with that. If you like the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.